what's going on? Day two, let's get it, baby. You know why I'm here, talking about these stock markets, man. Had a long day, gotta go to work soon, so I'll make this video kind of quick. Yeah, portfolio update right here. Still a refresh. Yeah, one of the Mag Sevens reported today, which was Apple, and like they beat the earnings. So yeah, grand day in the market today. Let's see, what was the main? Where's my news at? Give me a second. I gotta find the news. All right, let's see what happened in the news today. Because I was asleep, so I didn't really track the market. So normally I'm looking at the market all day, but I was hella busy. Let's give a brief rundown of what's going on. Closing summary. All right. The stock market closed on a positive note after a sharp dip and quick recovery in the afternoon trade after Trump told reporters that he will impose a 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico beginning Saturday. Hurry up. Let's see. All these three indexes moved higher. Bro, what? Oh, I can't be on. Oh, I see. I can't be on my phone E-Trade because I'm reading my news off of E-Trade. For some reason, E-Trade doesn't have the news on the website, which is weird. But give me a second. Let me just read the news real quick. Um, yeah. So let's see. A solid earnings related decline of Microsoft was overshadowed by positive responses to earnings results from likes of IBM, Facebook, and Tesla. The upside bias in equities was also supported by price action and 10-year Treasury yields. Um, let's see. Market participants were also digesting the morning's economic release, which featured an encouraging low level of initial job claims, 207,000 for the week ending in January 25. A strong 4.2% growth rate. The personal spending in the fourth quarter, which was the best in Q1 of 2023. The market will be focused on earning news from influential names in the afternoon, which is Apple, which it beat its earnings. So we should have a good day tomorrow. Key takeaways from the report is that there were stronger growth attributes in the fourth quarter than the headline number suggests. And the personal consumption expenditures were up 4.2%. Yeah, so pretty much just relying on jobless claim news. And we still got a lot of the Mag 7s reporting. So pretty much all it was. Just news from Mag 7s and economic news was pretty good today. Again, normally I'm watching Schwab Network all day, getting us information for you guys. But yeah, just a quick rundown. Back to my thing. So, yep, go to portfolio again. I'm a dividend investor. I have 11 stocks or ETFs or funds I invest in. Eight of them pay weekly, so I'm gonna get a paycheck on. I'm gonna get eight paychecks Saturday morning. Two pay monthly, one pays quarterly. And this weekend, I'm probably going to make a video discussing each of my different funds that I invest in. They're options income funds, and these two are closed-end funds. And this is just a regular ETF, right? That tracks the Dow 100, not the Dow 30. There's a difference. So yeah, so let's see what we did today. 0.5%, 0.05% total gain for today. I mean, overall gains, and then today's gains was 0.68. If we look up here, we're beating all the indexes today. This is why I tie all my investments to the index. I do not invest in single stocks because it's too much headline risk, right? For example, Monday, a Chinese company named DeepSeek, I think I talked about it in my other video, but they pretty much said hey, we can make a cheaper AI, um, chat GPT, whatever, right? That forced so much red in tech stocks, mainly Nvidia, because Nvidia is number one in the US for chip making. We rely on Nvidia, right? So, for example, there's a why, again, I don't tie my stuff to just single stocks. Nvidia was down 17%, the most it's ever been down. 17% in one day, but the NAS was only down 3%, right? So I tie all of my funds and ETFs to the index, like they're attached to the S&P, the Nasdaq, Dow, and Russell, right? If you attach it to the index, you can't go wrong. If you have just single stocks, then you fall victim to headline risk like that. So I'd have been down 17% just from having Nvidia solely in my portfolio. But Nvidia is in my tech stock funds. It's in CLM, CRF. It's in QDT, QQY, right? And it's in the mags, YMAG and YMAX as part of the Magnificent Seven. So it's diversified. So I was barely down on Monday when the market had a huge crash. I was barely down. I was down probably like 2%, right? Because I'm diversified between all my other funds. I have the Russell right here. I have the S&P right here. You know what I mean? So yeah. But anyway, I'm beating the markets today. Again, total gains 0.68, S&P is 0.53, Nasdaq 0.25, Dow 0.38. Let's see my leaders for the day. Pretty much everybody was leading. Who was the biggest leader today? The biggest leader was CRF, Cornerstone, 4 star, 5 star fund. These two will be my anchors, meaning that see I have the most shares in these funds. Again, I'm gonna explain all my funds on Saturday, but these two, they're my anchors, man. They're beasts. They're closed end funds. So if you don't know about closed end funds, Google is free, and you can look it up on YouTube. There's so many other channels about closed end funds, but it's a closed end fund. So you got to play these smart. If not, you can get cooked. But I'm gonna make a video again on all these Saturday or Sunday, one of the two. But yeah, anchors, CRF, yeah, went crazy today. 1.15%. Oh, the Russell. Okay, the Russell. This is a Russell 2000 um, ETF, and it's up 1.09. And who else came second? YMAX. Okay, okay. So there's 50 companies in YMAX. It's not really tied to the index. It's just 50 big cap like um, companies in YMAX. So it's still diversified. It still has the main ones in there, the Apple and all that shit, whatever. But it got like 50 other companies or 40 some other companies. So yeah, looks like those are the winners. My laggers, SCHD, yeah, down 0.11, and YMAG down 0.27. Probably because of Tesla's missed earnings yesterday, and I think Apple's still reporting right now. I don't know why the mags are doing bad. Yeah, look, Apple beat everything, better revenues and better earnings. So I don't know. Let's see, let me refresh real quick. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we got today. Yeah, I'm going to focus obviously a lot on my anchors. Right, obviously whenever I get paid, going in most of it's going in here my anchors, but then with Trump signing that Stargate plan, which is going to boost tech stocks and AI, I'm gonna start focusing a lot more on my AI, on my Nasdaq ETFs, which are QDTE, QQQY. Not really tech, but a lot of YMAG because I think all the Magnificent Seven companies are fucking tech companies. So it'll be a lot of YMAG. We'll be buying a lot of QQY and QDTE. Those will be my main focus for the year, not like disperse it evenly throughout the others. Some Russells, some S&Ps. But yeah, estimated income, right? I'm supposed to make 200K, 200K. I wish. Well, I will get there. $200 a year. That's just right now. It goes up every time I get paid. If you look right here, here's what I'm going to get paid out on Saturday morning. I'm gonna get $1.35 from Cornerstone, both my Cornerstone funds. $1.17 on 10 shares. They do 11 cents, 12 cents. I'm gonna get $1. The Russell 2000 IWMY is gonna pay me about 60 cents. QDTE, I'm gonna get paid about 74 cents. QQY, I'm gonna get paid about 45 cents. RDTE, I'm gonna get paid 20. WTE, I'm gonna get paid 20 cents. XDE, I'm gonna get 43. YMAC 57, and YMAX, I'm gonna get paid 30 cents. Remember, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 pay every single Friday. Every single Friday, I'm gonna get paid. Now they fluctuate, but I'm gonna get paid. Right? They're options, income strategies. So I'm going to get paid. These two pay once a month. But yeah, every single Saturday morning at midnight, I'm gonna get 8 paychecks. 8 paychecks. So that's what I'm saying. You just put money towards it. You're gonna get paid. And I'm gonna talk about NAV erosion and all that stuff and blah blah blah, all that stuff later on. Again, we're just getting our feet wet again. Getting back into YouTube videos and stuff like that. So I'm trying to formulate how I'm gonna do these videos. But for the most part, this is how they're gonna look. Every day, I'm gonna tell you guys what happened in the market, my portfolio, how it compared to the market, and my plan, my leaders and laggers. That's pretty much it. Um, but yeah, that's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like. Good day in the market. Green day, green bean. I like seeing green, but red doesn't bother me either because I'm gonna buy more. So I'm making this YouTube video or this challenge or whatever to show people that you can start from the bottom with $1,500 and just watch it grow. Just watch it grow. You know what I mean? I'm putting a little bit of money up every single month. Every few months, I'm gonna deposit like a big load. Pause. Yeah, I'm gonna put like a big deposit every like 4 or 5 months. But every month, I'm putting in like small money. You know what I mean? I'm letting my dividends grow. So the goal of this channel is to live off this. Again, where I learned about these, made in the video, where I learned about these ETFs was from this channel. And you can see he makes 500K a year in dividends with these exact same funds, which I gotta watch this video because it's brand new. So I'll be looking at this when I go to work. But yeah, damn. Yeah, that's what we're looking like. I see you guys tomorrow. Do we have any earnings tomorrow? Exxon, Abby, Chevron. Okay, they got some big names. I'm kind of tired of earnings week, man. It's already up and be over with the earnings season. But yeah, portfolio's looking good. Positive a little bit of money. I'm gonna watch this shit grow to where his accounts is. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. That's all we got. I have $200. So whenever you deposit money in here, you get like 75% of it up front, and then you get the rest later. So I put like 650 in here, and it only gave me like 380. So I have another 270 that's waiting to get cleared. I think it'll get cleared like Monday or so. That's the only thing I hate about E-Trade, man. It's not like Robinhood where you put your money in there and it just like you got all of it. You gotta wait. Um, so I'll be showing you my buying. I'll be showing you my buys whenever, uh, whenever E-Trade clears the other 271 that's just sitting there. So yeah, but yeah, looking at making like $20 a month. That's cool, bro. Hey, I'm creating money out of nowhere, bro. This number's gonna go up every single month. It's gonna go up and up and up and up. This number right here is gonna go up and 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 up. And so I'm making $100 a month, 200 a month, 1,000 a month, 2 grand a month. All about consistency, bro. That's it. So this is my focus. Again, no more trading for me. If you're looking for trading, I'm sorry, I don't do that shit no more. Strictly guaranteed money, guaranteed income. That's what I'm focusing on. If there's a bad week in the market, guess what? I still get paid. It's going to fluctuate, but it's going to stay about around the same. See what I'm saying? But I'm going to get paid. Not like have a good week of trading, bad week of trading, I make no money. know what I mean? Like I'm making money every single midnight, every single Friday I get paid. So yeah, that's all I got. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah.